Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best RV roof vent fan that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan. The Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan is the first option on our list of the best RV roof vent fans, and it is also the most popular option compared to many other brands for RV accessories. So, you will be getting a reliable roof fan within a decent budget. This is also a versatile option as you get 3 speed settings along with intake and exhaust mode, which is usually not provided with many other options. The power rating for the Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan is about 40 watts, whereas the input requirement is within 0.5 to 2.5 amp based on user preference. Hike Crew also ships all necessary accessories along with the fan. So, all you will need is a screwdriver and a sealant, and you can install this fan with ease on a standard 14 by 14 inches opening. And with dual wind action, the Hike Crew RV Roof Vent Fan becomes a viable choice for summer as well as winter. Moving on, at number 4, we have the RVLOVENT RV Roof Fan Vent. The RVLOVENT RV Roof Vent Fan is our second pick for this list today, and it is also one of the best options for 14 by 14 inches roof openings. With 10 powerful blades, the RVLOVENT RV Roof Vent Fan manages to push huge volumes of air while consuming a comparatively lower amount of power. This option also offers both intake as well as exhaust functions, along with 3 speed options for personalization in performance. As for safety, the RVLOVENT RV Roof Vent Fan comes with built-in fuse protection powered by a 5 amp fuse with 2 additional fuses included in the package for future replacements. You also get an additional fan cover so that you won't have to look for any replacement parts anytime soon. The motor powering these fans operates the fan at about 1200 RPM, offering nearly 950 CFM airflow at maximum speed. At number 3, we have the Leisure Coachworks RV Roof Vent Fan. This is also a popular option and is currently installed in hundreds of RVs out there. As we mentioned before, this is a rather simple option designed for all year-round usage. It offers air intake as well as exhaust with a single speed setting for each. Plus, there is a manual riser that allows you to easily open or close the lid from the inside. The Leisure Coachworks RV Roof Vent Fan is a universally compatible RV roof vent fan that works with 2 to 4.5 inches thick RV roofs and the standard 14 by 14 inches roof openings. As for the installation, Leisure Coachworks has made it as simple as it can be with just 2 connecting wires. Also, this fan is rated for a low noise operation, which is a necessity in many cases. At number 2, we have the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan Reversible. The Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan is arguably the best option that we could find for this list of the best RV roof vent fans, most importantly because it is a smart variant. Unlike most other options, the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan comes with an automatic lid that closes as soon as it detects rain or water contact. This is also a reversible RV roof vent fan with ultra-low noise performance and 4 different speed settings. Controlling the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan is also pretty simple, as you get a remote control along with the set. You will be able to control the state, speed, or direction of the fan directly with the remote along with manual lid control. On the inside, the Air Max RV Roof Vent Fan houses a brushless motor which is nearly 5 times more reliable than its competitors. But all of these features certainly come at a very expensive price tag. And finally, at number 1, we have the RVMATE RV Roof Vent Fan. The RVMATE Roof Vent Fan is the cheapest option that we have for you today, which is compatible with almost all types of RVs, campers, and trailers. But despite the affordability, the RVMATE Roof Vent Fan still offers a 6-blade design with the fan, with each blade being 6 inches long. And with that, you also get a reversible airflow option so that you can use the fan as intake as well as exhaust without any problem. The roof of the RVMATE roof vent fan is made out of heavy-duty plastic so that it can withstand harsh weather conditions without any problem. You will also receive a manual handle to help you raise or lower the cover with ease. The roof cover is supported by a smooth support rod for easier operation. So if you only occasionally use your RV for outdoor camping, this will be the perfect choice for you. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.